Hello everyone. Today we are going to do question number 7th of your textbook. Here is the question. Trial balance of Shri Marmik as on 31st March 2015 does not tally and therefore a difference of rupees 1440 is credited to suspense account. The following errors are detected after final accounts are prepared. See, before moving further, let us understand what is suspense account. See, when errors are detected after the trial balance has been prepared, they are rectified in two ways. That is, first one, in case of errors not affecting the trial balance, or we can say that two-sided errors. Two-sided errors are rectified by passing a journal entry without involving the suspense account. It has already been discussed earlier in this chapter. And second one is in case of errors affecting the trial balance, or we can say that one-sided errors. The difference in the trial balance is placed in the trial balance under the head suspense account. Thereafter, one-sided error will be rectified by passing a journal entry either debiting or crediting the suspense account. Let us be more clear about the meaning of suspense account. Suspense account is the account to which the amount being the difference in trial balance is placed. If the total of debit side is short, suspense account will show debit balance. And if the total of credit side is short, suspense account will show credit balance. The difference is placed in the suspense account so that final accounts are prepared. As a result of this, trial balance will appear to agree. However, the errors still remain in the trial balance, which must be located and rectified. Suspense account is used for rectifying all one-sided errors. Suspense account is used for rectifying the errors which affect the trial balance by passing their double entry in the debit side or credit side of the suspense account. Errors that do not affect the trial balance are not rectified with the help of a suspense account. Now let us understand disposal of a suspense account. It should be borne in mind that the errors that affect the trial balance, that is one-sided errors, are placed in suspense account. In other words, suspense account is the net effect of one-sided errors. Errors are rectified by placing the amount to the debit of the correct account. Credit is placed in the suspense account. Similarly, when correct account is credited, in case debit is placed in the suspense account. And if all one-sided errors are rectified, suspense account should not be left with any balance. That is, this account should stand closed. But in case suspense account is not closed, balance in it is taken to the balance sheet on the asset side if there is a debit balance, or the liability side if there is a credit balance. Thus, we can say that when the error is committed only on one side, the correct account is debited or credited correctly, and the other account, that is, suspense account, is debited or credited. When all the errors are rectified, suspense account is closed automatically. Now, let us see here in this question, error number 1. Rupees 6,490 received from Paresh is posted as rupees 450 on the debit side of his account. So, let us understand how this mistake will be rectified. Here, let us assume that this is Paresh account. So, the journal entry for this would be cash account debit to Paresh account, right? So here, as Paresh is a giver, so his account will be credited. So here, we will record it as by cash account rupees 6,490 on credit side of Paresh account. As per the principle, do what is correct. So here it is. But by mistake, amount 450 instead of rupees 6,490 is recorded on debit side of his account. So this one needs to be reversed. So in order to correct this, rupees 450 will be recorded on credit side of Paresh account to nullify the effect of wrong entry. So here 450 will be recorded on credit side. As per the principle, undo what is wrong. So rectification entry will become, you can see that, rupees 6,450 plus, rupees 6,490 plus rupees 450. That is total 6,940 will be credited to Paresh account. Here it is. According to double entry, we know that according to double entry system, there are two aspects of every transaction, debit and credit, where debit entry must be equal to credit entry. And if Paresh account is credited, what should be on debit side? Here, the mistake is only in Paresh account. So what account can be debited? So here we can debit suspense account. Okay. So here the rectification entry would become suspense account debited by rupees 6,940 to Paresh account. So here it is. We will record it like this. Suspense account will be debited by rupees 6,940 and Paresh account will be credited by rupees 6,940. Now let us see next one. Rupees 3,560 paid for repairing expenses were posted on debit side of machinery account as rupees 1,560. Now for this, let us apply the two principles. First one is do what is correct. Here, as rupees 3,560 is paid for repairing expenses, so as per nominal account, repairing expense account should be debited. So as per the principle do what is correct, repairing expense account will be debited by rupees 3,560. And the second principle, that is undo what is wrong. So what is wrong entry here? Here, by mistake, 3,560 is posted on the debit side of machinery account as rupees 1,560. So this one needs to be reversed. So here machinery account will be credited by rupees 1,560. Now here, as you can see that here debit amount, that is 3,560, and credit amount, that is 1,560, is not equal. And we know that when two accounts are affected by a transaction, the sum of debit entries and the amount of credit entries must be equal. So here there is difference of the amount of rupees 2,000, that is 3,560 minus 1,560, that comes to 2,000. There is difference of amount of rupees 2,000 which is on credit side. So here suspense account will be credited by rupees 2,000, and in narration we will write being rectification entry for repairing expense rupees 3,560 by mistake debited as rupees 1,560 to machine account. Now let us see next entry. Third one, discount of rupees 250 given by Palak is credited to her account as well as discount received account. Here rupees 250 given by Palak is discount received for us, that is as per nominal account it is an income, so it should be credited. But here by mistake Palak account is also credited with discount received account. So here mistake is that Palak account is credited. So this one needs to be reversed. So here Palak account will be debited by rupees 500 and suspense account will be credited by rupees 500, as here mistake is only in one account, that is in Palak account. So here suspense account will be credited. Now let us see next one. Fourth one, rupees 4,570 paid to Suresh Bhai debited to Mahesh Bhai's account as rupees 2,570. So let us see rectification entry for this. Here again there is error of recording in a wrong account, and that too with wrong amount. So let us understand how this mistake will be rectified. Here, as it is given that 4,570 paid to Suresh Bhai. So as per that, according to the rule of personal account, here as Suresh Bhai is receiver, so here Suresh Bhai's account should have been debited. So as per the principle of do what is correct, here Suresh Bhai account will be debited by rupees 4,570. And but what is wrong entry here? Here by mistake Mahesh Bhai's account is debited, and that too with wrong amount, that is 2,570. So this is the mistake. So this needs to be reversed. So here as per the principle that is undo what is wrong, here Mahesh Bhai's account will be credited by rupees 2,570. Now again there is a difference which will appear on credit side, that is of rupees 2,000. 4,570 minus 2,570, that comes to 2,000. So here for that suspense account will be credited by rupees 2,000, and in narration we will write being rectification entry for amount paid to Suresh Bhai wrongly debited to Mahesh Bhai's account. Now let us see fifth one. Total of purchase book is undercast by rupees 1,000. We know that total of the purchase book is debited to purchaser's account in the ledger, and here purchase book has been undercast by rupees 1,000. It means that purchase account has been short debited by rupees 1,000. So purchase account should receive another debit of rupees 1,000 since it was debited short previously. So here our rectification entry would be purchase account will be debited by rupees 1,000 and suspense account will be credited by rupees 1,000. And in narration we will write being total of purchase book is undercasted, now rectified. Now let us see next one, sixth number. Purchase of furniture of rupees 3,670 debited to purchase account. Here this is the example of two-sided error. So here as it is given that furniture is purchased of rupees 3,670. So as per the rule of real account, here furniture account should be debited. So as per the principle that is do what is correct, here furniture account will be debited by rupees 3,670 as per the rule of real account. And now what is wrong entry passed here? Here purchase account debit is wrong. So this one needs to be reversed or credited in the rectification entry. So here purchase account will be credited by rupees 3,670 as per the principle that is undo what is wrong. And in narration we will write being rectification entry for purchase of furniture wrongly debited to purchase account. So I hope you would have understood this. Question number 6 is your homework. That's all for today. Thank you very much.